Hi everyone, this is FileForgePro. This application you can use to compress your documents, your file like PDF, like JPEG, any other files too, and you can do batch uploading. You can upload as many files as possible at once and compress them at once. So I'll do example now. Let me go to drag and drop, select some files. Select like 2 files or 3 files. As you can see, I've selected 4 files. So you scroll down, these are all the files I selected. Then the intelligent analysis, and this is the intelligent analysis AI powered, so showing 4 files uploaded, and total file size is 1.3 megabytes. Estimated reduction should be 45%, and not to lose the quality. Estimated time for the compression should be 2 seconds. For image, for medium, see it has already reduced the size by 45%. And as you can see, we can go ahead and you can still reduce more to maybe 50%. Let me do 50%. If you remember, the original total file size is 1.3 megabytes. Then we go to start intelligent compression. Everything is now complete. You see it's very fast. Then you scroll upward back to download all the 4 files separately. See, it has been reduced by 80%, reduced by 92%, and all of them will not lose their quality. They still maintain their quality. You can click on it. You can rename the file here. I've done it, but if you want to rename the file, you just click on okay. One of the features is that you can rename the file. As you can see, so you can rename the file. After renaming the file, you can click this, then you can download instead of going to your local system to rename. So it works like that, and you can download all those files at once. So thank you. This is what I've done.